Shreya for recording. Okay. Recently we have completed circle chapter. So let's see some MCQs on circle, which I have given last test, sixth one. Because just now we have completed, so you must remember the main points. On all the main points, I have prepared this question. Just I will take 10-15 minutes, please, Bacha, because I have waste time on calls. And it was a mem call, so I can't stop. To a circle, from a point outside the circle, how many tangent we can draw? To the circle, one point on the circle, one point in the circle, one point outside the circle. From inside, zero tangent. On the circle, one tangent, and from outside, two tangent. Remember 3 points. If point is given inside the circle, no one tangent you can draw. If point is given on the circle, only single point, single line you can draw as a tangent. Tangent of a circle means what? There is a one common point between line and circle. Now from outside, two tangent. So circle line one common, circle line one common of two different lines. Inside, zero tangent. On the circle, one tangent. Outside the circle, two tangent. The distance between two parallel tangents of a circle distance between two parallel tangents. Suppose I draw this tangent and this. These are parallel. These are also parallel. Distance means this, distance means this, distance means this. And always it will pass from the center. Why? Because tangent radii perpendicular theorem. So radii plus radii, diameter. So whenever two tangents are parallel to the circle, the distance between two parallel lines is exactly the diameter. Double of the radii, you can say. Diameter or two radii. Now, two circles touching externally. Two circles touching internally. R1, R2. This is center 1, center 2. This is center 1, center 2. So C1, C2 distance means distance between two centers. This is R1, R2. Distance between C1, C2. Big radii minus small radii. Here big radii plus small radii, big radii minus small radii. So circle when touching externally, the distance between center always sum of the radii. And the circle when touching internally, the distance between two centers is difference of the radii. Bigger radii minus smaller radii. Angle inscribed in a semicircle. This is a circle. Semicircle means by diameter, circle divide into two parts. by diameter circle divided into two parts. Each part is known as semicircle. Inscribe angle of the semicircle means end point of diameter P and Q. You can join anywhere on the circle, always it is 90 because half of the arc, and arc is 180, half arc 180, half 90, 180, half 90. In a circle, to the diameter. Diameter cut the circle into two parts. Each part is known as semicircle. And end point of diameter, if you will connect with any point, APQ 90, ABQ, PBQ 90, PCQ 90, PDQ 90, PEQ 90. So inscribe in semi-circle is always 90 degree or right angle. The sum of opposite angle of cyclic. Cyclic, first of all, cyclic means what? ABCD quadrilateral is said to be cyclic when all four vertices are on a circle. When all four vertices are on a circle, it is said to be cyclic. When it is cyclic, opposite, so angle A plus measure angle C, ABCD. It is supplementary or total 180. So measure angle B plus measure angle D, or you can say X plus Y is equal to 180, P plus Q is equal to 180. By 2 seconds, angle form outside the circle. It is given. This is given 100. This is given 20. And we want A, B, C means this angle. CD. So the formula is measure angle B is equal to half of major arc big minus major arc small. So half 100 minus 20. When angle from outside, two arcs are inscribed, maximum arc or a bigger arc minus smaller arc, whatever the answer, half of that it is inscribed. So measure angle B 639. This is O, this is A, B, C, D. We need OA. So the formula will be OA into OB, OC, OD. Always you have to go from intersection. From intersection, every four segment will start. Product of two segments on same line. So this into this into this. So x into 9, 6 into 3. 9 goes down. So x is equal to 6 into 3 by 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are. So if it is 2, 9 is 18, 6 is 18. Now, O, P, Q, R and S. OQ is equal to 4. Total it is 4. OR is equal to 8. OS is equal to 3. Sorry, OP it is given 4. So always from the intersection, two segments on same line, OP, OQ, OR, OS, OP 4, OQ question, 8 into 3. This is it, this is 3. Now one very important diagram. When one tangent and 1 secant. OB is equal to 5. BC is equal to 15. This much. Find this. So again, from the intersection, OA into OA means OA square. OA, OE, OB, OC. So this is not given. O to B is 5. This is 5, this is 15, so this is 20. 100 square, 10 square. It can be positive and negative, but length always positive. So dear student, this type of the MCQs in the SSC board they will ask, and this time they will double this mark of MCQs. So be ready with very small point. If your one answer is wrong, instead of B you have written C, you will lose 1 mark. So try to collect the small point of the chapters and by it. On that base only we are finding the answer. And see, when I have started the meeting, same time, ma'am called me regarding the attendance. In Google Class also less than 50, online also less than 50. So it is not good